Hello, friends, and welcome to lesson 84 of the first lessons book by Julio Sagreras. I've divided the lesson into 4 sections of 4 measures each, and we're going to be taking these 2 measures at a time. Let's get our hands prepared. Even though the first measure is only open strings, we are going to bring our left hand close to the area of frets 2 and 3 because that's where we are going to need it in measure number 2. So we're going to simplify the difficulty of getting those notes by having our left hand very close to where we're going to need it. And that is finger number 3 on string number 1, fret number 3, and finger number 2 on string number 1 as well, but on fret number 2. We lift the hand but keep the tips of the fingers very close to the strings. And now we talk about the right hand. The right hand is going to be doing a finger picking pattern all throughout the lesson. The ring finger is always going to play string number 1, the middle finger is always going to play string number 2, and the index finger is always going to play string number 3. The thumb, as usual, is going to be dealing with strings 4, 5, and 6. Let's get started. Measure number 1 starts with thumb and ring finger at the same time. The thumb plucks string number 6. Then string number 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Then we go into measure number 2 by pressing with finger number 3 string number 1 on fret number 3, and we pluck string 6 with the thumb again, and ring finger plucks string number 1. String 2, 3. Then we change the note on string number 1. We remove finger number 3 as we activate finger number 2 on fret number 2, and we play strings 1, 2, 3, and then we remove finger 2 and we play open first, 2, and 3. And before going into measure number 3, let's have a minute to talk about the finger picking pattern. You may have already noticed that every beginning of a measure, we have to pluck 2 strings at the same time. In this case, it has been string number 6 and string number 1. String number 1 is always going to be the case, but the thumb sometimes is going to play string number 5 and sometimes string number 4. The finger picking pattern, as for the ring, middle, and index finger, is always going to be ring, middle, index, ring, middle, index, ring, middle, index. The variety is going to come on the thumb. Sometimes the thumb is going to play at the very beginning of the measure. Sometimes it's going to play on beats 1 and 2, and sometimes it's going to play on beats 1, 2, 3. Regardless of what the thumb do, ring, middle, and index finger are always going to be plucking in the same order. One more additional thing to mention about the finger picking pattern, we should try to have more volume with the ring finger because that's the finger that is dealing with the melody of the lesson. So ideally, we're going to have strong volume, soft, soft, strong, soft, soft, strong, soft, soft. To play measure number 3, we're going to go all the way to string number 1, fret number 7 with finger 3. And we're going to have finger 1 very close to string number 5 because we're going to need it on beat number 2. So measure number 3 starts with thumb on string number 6 and ring finger on string number 1. String number 2, string number 3. We bring finger 1 to string number 5, fret number 7, making sure that the third finger is still pressing on the string. We pluck string number 5 with the thumb, string 2, and string 3. Remember that string 2 is always going to be plucked by the middle finger and string 3 always by the index finger. Then we're going to use finger number 3 as a guiding finger, and we're going to take it from measure number 7 to measure number 3. We pluck string 1, 2, and 3. We go into measure number 4 by plucking strings 6 and 1 as open strings, string 2, 3 as we bring finger number 1 to string number 5, fret number 2. We pluck it with the thumb, strings 2 and 3 as we bring finger 2 to string number 6, fret number 3. We pluck it with the thumb as we release finger number 1, and then we pluck strings 2 and 3. Let's have a listen to the entire section number 1, and I would like to direct your attention not only to the fingers that I'm using, but also to the higher volume that I'm giving to the notes played by the ring finger. To play measures number 5 and 6, we're going to need a half bar with finger number 1 on fret number 5, covering strings 1, 2, and 3. We begin by plucking strings 5 and 1 at the same time. String number 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3. We bring finger 3 to string number 1, fret number 7, making sure that the half bar is still pressing on all the strings that we are covering. We pluck strings 1, 2, and 3. Then we go into measure number 6 by bringing finger 4 to string 1, fret 8, and plucking at the same time strings 5 and 1. 2, 3. We remove finger 4, activating finger 3. We play strings 1, 2, and 3. And we remove finger 3. And we play strings 1, 2, and 3. To play measure number 7, we're going to need to bring finger number 4 all the way to fret number 12 on string number 1. And we're going to pluck at the same time strings 1 and 6, 2 and 3. Then we bring finger 4 from fret number 12 to fret number 10, also on string number 1. We pluck strings 1 and 2 and 3. We continue with finger 2 on string number 1, fret number 8. We pluck strings 1, 2, and 3. And we use that finger as a guiding finger, going from fret number 8 to fret number 7 and plucking strings 6 and 1 at the same time. As we bring finger number 1 to string number 5, fret number 7, pluck it with the thumb. Strings 2 and 3, open 6, as we remove finger 1, strings 2 and 3. To play measure number 9, we're going to need a partial bar with finger 1 on fret number 4, covering the first 4 strings, all the way to the 4th string. We're going to need finger number 2 on string number 1, fret number 5. We pluck strings 4 and 1, 2 and 3. As we bring finger 4 to string number 1, fret number 7, pluck strings 1, 2, and 3. We remove finger 4, activating finger 2, and we pluck strings 1, 2, and 3. Measure number 10 begins with finger 1 on string 4, fret 1, and finger number 4 on string number 1, fret number 2. We pluck those 2 strings at the same time, open second, as we bring finger 3 to string number 3, fret number 2, and we pluck it with the index. As we continue with finger number 2 to string number 5, fret number 2, pluck it with the thumb, strings 2 and 3, string 4, fret 1 again, strings 2 and 3. Making sure that finger 4 and finger 3 maintain the pressure on the strings all throughout the measure. To go into measure 11, we are going to keep finger 4 right where we have it, string number 1, fret number 2. We're going to pluck string 6 and 1. Open second, open third. Then we use finger 4 as a guiding finger and we bring it from fret number 2 to fret number 5. We pluck strings 1, 2, and 3. And finger 2 goes to string number 1, fret number 3. As we remove finger 4, we pluck strings 1, 2, and 3. If you can, by the end of measure 11, try to have finger number 3 close to string number 5, because that's the string that we're going to need it on at the beginning of measure 12. We begin measure number 12 with finger number 3 on string number 5, fret number 3, and open first string. As we bring finger number 1 to string number 2, fret number 1, we block it with the middle finger. As we bring finger number 2 to string number 3, fret number 2, and we block that string with the index finger. Finger 1 and 2 are going to remain in the same spots throughout the measure. We remove finger number 3 and play open fifth, strings 2 and 3. As we bring finger number 3 to string number 1, fret number 2, we pluck strings 1, 2, and 3. To connect measure 12 to measure 13, try to keep finger number 3 pressing on string number 1, fret number 2, until the next note on that string is activated. Measure 13 starts with finger 2 on string number 5, fret number 2, and finger 4 on string number 1, fret number 3. Open second, open third. We're going to slide finger number 4 from fret 3 to fret 2, trying to not produce a glissando, strings 1, 2, and 3, and then open string 1, 2, and 3. The transition from measure 12 to measure 13 is quite important, so let's have a look at it. To go from measure 13 to 14, we need to keep finger 2 right where we have it, and we bring finger 4 to string number 1, fret number 2 once more, pluck string 5 and 1. As we bring finger 3 to string number 3, fret number 2, we pluck string number 2 and 3. We bring finger number 1 to string number 4, fret number 1, as we remove finger 2, and we pluck string number 4 with the thumb, strings 2 and 3. Once again, finger number 4 is going to slide from fret number 2 to fret number 3. We pluck strings 1, 2, and 3. Making sure that we're keeping the pressure with fingers 1 and 3. Measure 15 starts with finger number 2 on string number 4, fret number 2, and open first string. Strings 2 and 3 open. As finger 1 goes to string number 5, fret number 2, we pluck it with the thumb, strings 2 and 3. As finger 3 goes to string number 6, fret number 3, we pluck it with the thumb as we remove finger 1. Then strings 2 and 3. And we finish with string number 6 as an open string. And there you have it, friends, lesson 84 from the first lessons book by Julio Sagreras. As usual, in the description box you will find a link to a play-along video so you can practice this lesson with me at a slower tempo, and you will also find links to other good resources to help you improve your guitar and musicianship skills. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one, and always remember to enjoy the process.